I just found a whole bunch of old cars here, and again, it's another business, and I'm not sure if they're here watching or not, so I'll just walk through pretty quick and get out of here. This is not private, this is private property, but there's no sign here. It's just everything is wide open. Look at that license plate here, Utah. Last time it was registered was in 92. That is pretty cool. Hey, look at that Thunderbird. Those are pretty nice if they were to be in good shape. There's some nice wheels in there. There's another turbo coupe like the other one. I'll have to do some research. I can't remember what the engines were in these back in the day. I just can't remember right now. Anyways, I'm not gonna go in too deep here, but looks like it's a pretty cool place. Pretty nice cars. Pretty nice cars here. Of course, all need to be restored, but for that, they're pretty cool. All right, have a good night, everyone. Subscribe, like, and I'll talk soon.